Good morning and welcome to Bamford Edge in the Peak District. And as I'm sure you can see behind me, we've had a bit of snow over the past couple of days in the UK. Come out with Aussie dog, Aussie. And as you can see, it is an absolutely glorious winter's day. Wall-to-wall sunshine, lovely covering the snow. Currently about -2. I don't think it's going to get much warmer than that at all today. So as I said, we've come out to Burbage Edge today and it's a glorious winter's day. We really don't get many days like this in the UK at all, so you have to take advantage of them when they come round. What me and Ozzy are going to do today is walk the fuller length of Burbage Edge, right on to the end, cross over Burbage Brook, and then we're going to pop up onto the top of Higator, which you can just see in the middle there. That's Higator, and then we'll drop down probably just into this little wooded plantation area down at the bottom, maybe have a coffee. Burbage Brook back to the path and all the way down the valley back to the car. So I think Ozzy's keen to get underway, aren't you, mate? Ozzy, you ready to go? Yeah, ready to go. So let's get cracking. Ozzy enjoying himself as usual. Just have to keep an eye out for any sheep, because Ozzy can be a bit of a chaser. He's border collie, German Shepherd cross, so anytime he sees anything that resembles a sheep or that even moves, he likes to go and chase it and try and round it up. So we just dropped down off of Burbage South section, on the top there, just down by those rocks, and now we're heading up towards Burbage North, which is just in the distance there. We've got some superb gritstone climbing, and it's in season. Climbed quite a bit there this summer just gone, and no doubt we'll be out again next summer once the rock comes back into condition. Up on the top of Burbage North now, and weather's starting to change a little bit, so we're going to have to keep an eye on that. So yeah, wind really starting to bite to the side of my face now, so the wolves come up. Yep, I know I keep saying it, but what an absolutely glorious day to be out and about. Absolutely fantastic. Come on, this way. Come on. Come on, follow. Good way. That's where we're heading next. We'll take a tour. After we've been up there, I think what we'll do is just drop down into this little plantation where it might be a bit more sheltered, and we'll have a little coffee. Ozzy! Ozzy! Come on then. Come on, he's a good boy. Okay, this is us at the top of Higator. Looking back over towards Fox House. That's Hallisage Moor down in the bottom there. Swinging right round. Stanage Edge over in the background there. Some more excellent gritstone climbing over there. That's definitely one for next year. Whew. That last little section really made us work. We're just walking down into the plantation area, and they've done a lot of fresh logging around here, and the snow's really deep and soft, fresh powder. A good times, but it's hard work ploughing through it. Well, this is as good a place as any. Set up for a coffee. Brought my little homemade twig stove with me today for just something a bit different, a bit of fun. So we'll get that cracking up and get a brew on. So, take some beating, cup of coffee off a twig stove and a mince pie in the snowy woods. Cheers. Ready to go, mate? Yeah? Okay, here we go. believe it or not, it's actually only just about 12:30 in the afternoon, so and the sun is already on its way back down again. These days really are short now. We're not far for Christmas. It's 12th of December. Alright, that's us back on the main path again now, back towards the car. Not far to go now. It's been an absolutely amazing day, as I said right at the beginning. We don't get many days like this in the UK really. So, really hope you enjoyed it. As always, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.